Okay, guys, here's the Wednesday directions. Pretty simple day today. We're just going to review for our quiz that we're going to take tomorrow. As you guys can see, this quiz is already up there, but it'll be scheduled to go out tomorrow at 8 o'clock. You'll have between the hours of 8 o'clock and 3 o'clock to take the quiz, so you have all day. Just make sure you kind of are ready to take it before you take it. Obviously, the best way to do that is to review. So I set up a Chapter 4 review flashcards. So with all the terms and all the different test questions are basically inside the flashcards. So you only have to study one thing. You only have to study the flashcards. Now, again, you can still use your notes on it, which is nice. But if you do the flashcards, or if you look at them and you study them and you take some time with them, you'll be okay. So 15 different topics that we're going to be talking about, and you can kind of see them right there. That's going to be on the quiz. And again, if you just click on it, boom, right there. So it's kind of some memorization, but also it's a lot of key terms. And some of these terms we probably never heard of before. So it's important to kind of get our reps in and kind of memorize them so we can move forward. And obviously, you're going to use these words later on in geography as well. You know, words like landlocked, natural boundaries, these come up a lot. So it's important to know them so we can scaffold and learn bigger stuff later down the line. But that's just that's what we're doing today, guys. Just go through the flashcards. There's no assignment with it or anything. So take as much time as you need to make sure that you're ready to go for tomorrow with our quiz. If you're looking for other review materials, I took a lot of the questions from the worksheets that we've been working on. So if you're looking for more review, you can just go back through and reread all the readings because I take the questions, like I said, directly from the readings. So flashcards first, and if you want more, reread the readings. But that's basically it, guys. Good luck studying today. If you have any questions while you're studying, let me know. Email me. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And also, if you do want to set up a Google Meet or a Zoom Meet individually, we can set that up as well. Just make sure you're reaching out to me. Okay, guys. Have a good one, and I will see you guys tomorrow.